Hi, my name's Corinne Hairston. I'm a Regional Field Marketing Manager here at Vital Proteins. And today I'm excited to tell you about my favorite product, the Collagen Creamers. The Collagen Creamers are a dairy-free alternative boosted with collagen nutrition that you can easily add to coffee. They're also rich in energy-boosting MCTs. These are a healthy fat that you can find in coconut milk. Every morning, I take my favorite collagen creamer flavor, medium roast coffee, a little bit of vanilla oat milk, and a tad bit of honey, give it a froth, and you have a swirled latte. And when I don't have time to do my full morning routine, I have the collagen creamer stick packs for whenever I need them on the go. I've been using the collagen creamers for a while now, and I've also been cooking with them. And oh yes, you can cook with them. I've noticed the biggest change in my energy levels, hair, and my nails. If you're looking to change up your morning routine or even want to get creative in the kitchen, the collagen creamers are the next best thing to our OG collagen peptides. If you want to find out more about our products or even want to learn more about collagen, visit us at vitalproteins.com. And while you're there, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.